Hey, grab your chips back now and let's find out what and how big data is. Just one chips pack. That will be $1.99, sir. Here you go. Thanks for the purchase. Back then, data collected were simple and easily processable by a single computer. Fast forward to 2022. But now, hey Cody, I'm a huge fan, bro. Have some coffee, bro. Can I take a selfie with you? Sure, bro. Thank you so much, brother. Hey Siri, post this to Instagram with the caption, just met Cody, pity homeless guy, so bought him a coffee. Hashtag peace, hashtag help needy.
Hey, at least give back the coffee.
But now, data of different formats are collected from different sources. As per 2018, 2.5 quintillion bytes of data are created every single day. That is for a day. Think about a month, a year. That's a lot of data.
Oh shit, not good.
So, is big data massive data like gigabytes or terabytes or petabytes? Not completely. Hey, first drop me. You sure? Yeah. No, wait. The 5 E's help to classify the big data. Volume. Big data, as name suggests, is of huge data. Velocity. It is of continuous flow of accumulation of data. Variety. It is of variety of nature from structured, semi-structured to unstructured. Veracity. It is inconsistent and uncertain in nature. Value. It should be able to be converted into something valuable. So, big data is data that contains greater variety, arriving in increasing volumes and more velocity that traditional processing methods can't handle. Hadoop is one of the frameworks that can handle huge volume of big data and process it. And how Hadoop works is for another video. Hey YouTube Live, support Cody doing stunts for money and press the like to save the world from famine. Hashtag poor, hashtag needy, hashtag homeless. Hey, get him. Donate via super chat for medical expenses. Bye.